something that has been in the news and we've been receiving numerous social media messages about, which is the new COVID-19 variant in the UK. Now, with this news came a lot of doubts, like where did this new variant come from? And is it more dangerous than the current one? And will this affect the effectiveness of the vaccine? Let's find out. So where did the new variant actually come from? The new variant actually came from the mutation of the existing coronavirus. And mutation can be explained as a change in the genetic code of an organism. In this case, the coronavirus, there was a change in the RNA structure of the virus. Since RNA viruses are more likely to mutate because they're constantly creating and rapidly creating more copies of themselves, which means they are more likely to make an error, and this leads to the mutation. So what happens when they mutate is that there's a change in the structure of the protein of the virus, and this can either help in them transmitting in the human cells in a better way, or they find new ways to transmit themselves by different mechanisms. COVID-19 or SARS-CoV-2 has actually been mutated several times before. The first mutation is said to take place in Europe in between February and March this year, and the second mutation is said to have taken place in Denmark among the mink farms that were there. And the third one, which is a significant one, actually took place in South Africa in October, and this one was a significant one because it was said to be more spreadable and was virulent in the young adults. And the last one is the one that we're all familiar with, which took place in Britain, and this COVID variant is known as the B117. B117 variant of the COVID-19 is said to have taken place because of the 17 mutations that took place to the first coronavirus that appeared in Wuhan. And what the mutation did to the virus is that it changed a part called the spike protein, and this is a very important part of the virus because this is the part that helps to attach to the human body cells. And when this change happened, it made it easier for the virus to enter the human body and attach to the cells of the human cells. So this is why the scientists are saying that it has a 70% more rate of transmissibility, and this is what's making it more different from the first virus that appeared in Wuhan. Now, scientists have said that there's no evidence that the new strain actually causes severe illnesses. But, however, the 70% transmissibility factor is quite worrying, because what this means is this virus is able to spread more easily, more people get infected, the number of patients that get hospitalized also get increased, and this puts pressure on the already struggling healthcare system. So the last and the most important question is, will the vaccine work against the new strain? The leading vaccines like AstraZeneca and Moderna help create an immune response to destroy the spike protein of the old virus. They also create an immune response to destroy the different parts of the virus. So now with the mutation, even though there is a change in the spike protein, the vaccine should still work in destroying the different parts of the virus. Lastly, it is important to remember that if we do let the virus to mutate further, it will not be effective against the vaccine, and this may cause the virus to escape the vaccine. So it is in our hands to control the virus. So as always, remember to follow the code SMS, sanitize, wear a mask and social distance.